This is how you can turn off swipe to go back on the iPad. So whenever you are inside of the app, you can swipe up to return to the home screen. If this is something you want to disable, it's pretty simple. You open up the settings app on your iPad, then head over to the accessibility section. And in there, entirely at the bottom, we have like this called general section, and guided access is one option. So tap on it and ensure that it is turned on. So when you have this enabled, you can leave the settings and get inside any specific application. Then you can enable or trigger the assistive touch feature. The guided access. Anyways, you can do that by triple clicking the side button or the power button. So you do this and the guided access menu is going to pop up. What you need to do is to click on options and essentially just customize the options to your preferences. So you can enable the top button, the volume buttons, you can disable the motion, you can do some other things like the keyboards are not going to be available. So it depends, right? But you can essentially just start the, of course, guided access. You might need to type in or use your passcode, and this means that you cannot simply leave the application. Like, you can use it, you can click around, but you don't have the ability to get outside of it. So if this is something that you wanted to do, this is exactly the way to do this. So let me know below in the comments if you are looking for this specific solution. If there is something else you want to know, go ahead and let me know as well. Subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.